Yes, I know, viewers. That definitely was gross. The little bolts and liquids. That was gross. But it's part 2 of this. Excuse me. Isn't it excuses me? Excuse me. Open it. Moles like liquids and bolts. Mine.